One small change can change the whole meaning. Hey, wait! Did you know that one tiny change in an English word can completely change the meaning? Let me show you. Look at these two words, advice and advise. They look almost the same, right? But they are different. Advice is a noun. For example, my teacher gave me good advice. But advise is a verb. For example, my teacher advised me to study harder. Easy? Now let's try another one. Affect and effect. These two confuse a lot of English learners. Affect is usually a verb. For example, lack of sleep can affect your concentration. Affect is usually a noun. For example, lack of sleep can have a bad effect on your concentration. Now, here's a quick challenge. Which sentence is correct? I need your advice or I need your advice. The answer is I need your advice because here we need a noun. See how one tiny letter change can make a big difference? And don't worry if these words feel confusing. Even advanced English learners sometimes mix them up. The important thing is to notice the difference and practice using them in real sentences. So next time you see advice and advise, remember, advice, noun, advice, verb, and that's your English lesson for today. Subscribe for more simple English lessons that actually help you speak naturally.